Hola, estamos en el canal Aprende Sin Parar. ¿Empezamos la lección?
Every day I brush my teeth, I always do, you see. I usually eat breakfast, toast and jam for me. I often play football with my friends outside. I sometimes watch a movie when it's raining time. Always, usually, often, sometimes. Let's sing it loud and clap our hands. Hardly ever, never, come on, say it too. Now you know how often things are true. I hardly ever eat candy, it's not good for me. I never go to school on Sunday, I sleep till 3. We use these words to say how much we do. Let's sing them again, me and you. Always, usually, often, sometimes. Let's sing it loud and clap our hands. Hardly ever, never, shout, yeah, with me. You're learning English easily. Oh, 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 oh. Always, every day, all the time. Usually, almost every time. Often, many times. You see, sometimes half like 50. Hardly ever, once or twice, maybe. Never said no way, baby. Always, usually, often, sometimes. Hardly ever, never. Say it one more time. Now you can say with a big bright smile, I know my adverbs English style. Oh, 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 oh.
¿Te ha gustado? Entonces suscríbete al canal, dale like y a la campanita, así no te perderás nada. Muchas gracias por aprender con nosotros y compartir este vídeo.